Selector got paged by two ladies.
People production. Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed morning, blessed morning, blessed morning, blessed day, blessed rising, God rising, one and all kings and queen, all of my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. Big up on yourself. I don't know, a lion foot on another vlog. I will have another boss and I say, give thanks to the rising, give thanks to life, health and strength, and I give thanks for this day, you know. Boy, I tell you the morning, cool front. Cool front, cool front, cool front. Brand new dance, warm up your soul. Cool front, cool front, cool front. The dance here for the young, also the whole. The dance here for each and every one, especially for who live in a foreign land. Canada, America, Ireland, Finland. Yeah, man. Hey, stop running. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so forgive thanks in the morning, you know. Right now we're coming up to May the 5th month of the year. And cool star. Imagine themselves if we expect snow May in a May. We might get snow in a May. That would be a history. We never witnessed that yet. See? Any my viewers and subscribers, we have to give thanks to life. See? Yes, man. See the two warriors there. Long time I don't see them face. So good morning.
Good morning, my viewers and subscribers. How you doing today?
Yeah, man, so them go to school, you know. Come, oh yeah. Don't know the youth, some of the future, you know, if you teach them right, guide and protect them, you know. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, we have a very sad story for cover, but I'll cover that after the school run. Then, but this morning we're going to talk about a man we see a walk around with a firearm. We don't know if it's real or a replica or what. Zane, but for now, you run some serious risk. Right now we see that the police are seeking help to find this man. See, and also, the woman must say them tired for shoot, you know, in the dance hall. What the selector them are going with. Not nice, big up yourself. Viewers and subscribers after the break.
Listen, we're decent people, we're going to do nice, right?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll give us some things to some mothers as well.
Yes,
your mother?
Five.
Alright. Here.
Five.
Yeah, man, you get baby, don't worry about it. Come on, girl, quick and fast, quick.
Another woman come up here.
Quick and fast, quick. So I know that's all.
Hold on. When the dancer girl over there see a dancer, come on, man. You see upon your head, you have to get a whip. Listen it. You see upon your head, you have to get a whip. I got 3 quick tunes for you. My first song, I'm born in Jamaica, I'm raised in England. I'm singing in Struggle. Big up myself, Triple X fan of mine. I got it up. Okay. Alright. Sick on side, got it. When you walk out, struggle from a little yard, yeah, poor is money. Me and my family get the opportunity to fly go abroad and work the hardest.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Thanks for staying if you're still here. That shows you care. Don't forget to like and share the content. And I mean, yes, man. Subscribe, click the bell, help the channel grow. Yes, you know what I'm saying? Yes, man. I don't know, keep the thing weird on the back of field over here, you know. Yeah, so, I don't know, that was Tina B, you know, the dancehall artist. You know what I mean? She's in Jamaica, you know. Giving away some goodies, you know what I mean, to her fans and the dancehall patrons them, you know what I mean, and that's a good look, you know, that's a good look, you know what I mean. So, you know, Tina B, she's putting in the work, you know what I mean, in the dancehall industry, in the dancehall space, and she's frequently visiting Jamaica, the island, where you have to go and put in the work, because trust me, that's how I grew my stature as an artist, you know, constantly going to Jamaica, going back home, doing long period of time, like 3 months, 6 months, a year, you know what I mean. I think the longest I did was 18 months, yeah. And the reason why I left is because I had to go do a show at Germany, a festival, you know, the Nuremberg Festival, and thing, yeah, and some of us go and build and then go Gambia and COVID hold me. But Tina do a good work, she do a great work, and she get a whole heap of write up and, you know. Yeah, man, she put in the work. So Tina B, Big up yourself. I love to see that greatness. You have to give back, you know, when you can. Yes, man. So that's Tina B. People who can go support her, check out her music. You know, enough time she feature on the platform. See? Yes, man. So you don't know. Big up Tina B and all the fans of Tina B. Now, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, Lion and Lioness. Yeah, man. Watch that brother here now. See? He went viral. A few people send it to me. You see me? A few people send it to me, you know, because they know say you're Lion for TV. Yeah, so it went viral, and the brother, you don't look right in at all. But watch what I go on.
Fana! Fana, you're not flying police, killer Fana. Jesus Christ, Fana. Fana, them a big on the air, but Fana. Jesus Christ, God. Fana, man, police.
No painting,
Fana, man, I kill you. Jesus Christ, God.
Boy, my viewers and subscribe. Yeah, the people must say, kings and queens, Fana, you're not afraid police. Can you get yourself in trouble, Fana? The man I walk around with the rifle. I wonder if it's real. If it's, I can't really sit in that. But the brother they look, him they look mentally stable. Yeah. Him they look mentally stable, you know. Because a normal, able person wouldn't be doing that, walking around like that in the public daylight. You know? With a real or fake sitting cars. In them times you can't run risk. You see me? You cannot run risk in these times. I know the police them right now very iron alert. You see when it comes to the crime and violence in Jamaica. You know? Yes, it's very impeccable, you know, so boy, I don't know. I don't know. I know the police them are seek and I ask for help and assistance in finding him. You see me? I can't a real thing that. I can't the bad man them real thing that him a walk around with. So I can't a man give him thing for look at him a walk around with it like that. Or it's a fake thing where them using a music video and them thing there. Viewers and subscribers, anyone know? Let Lionfoot know so I can update the public and the world. You see? Yes, man, so moving on next, my viewers and subscribers. I see Not Nice post this, so I say I have to repost this. We got Not Nice, it producer, as I mean, a brother who acknowledge the talent and reach out to me too. You see me, so we got Not Nice. Wow, vice here and Not Nice. Yeah, man, I have a couple of hits on my belt for you, you know. Yeah, man, self-confidence, huh? Yeah. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, watch what I go.
Mystic, I'll go first. Yo, bad people, behave yourself. Behave yourself. Yeah? Behave yourself. Bad people, they're better. You see that play? Don't come up here, so. Yeah.
Yes, man. You hear the Empress, the woman them and say, you look like them go page a selector. Selector you go be knockings in the night in the dance hall. You see me? Bright and sunny, but it's cold. You see me? Cool front. You see me? Enough time cold bust up my lip, but me can't feel my toes and my fingertip. England cold in the Father dish. If you think so, you like January book a trip. Everybody say them love the cold front. All who say them don't is a bad mind punk. Yo, big up Father Dish. I'm going to build a song here, Father Dish. Reach out to me and say, yo, you see that dance there? Them time I'm going to build the song yet, you know. And as the man says, you see that dance there? You just want a song now. And the first line coming on my head, England cool in ask Father Dish. And that's how the song created. So big up Father Dish. You know, a brother we don't know, but the man just believe in the talent and acknowledge the talent musically. And always I encourage and support I and I. And if you stay focused and positive. Because I know more time the depression come down on I and I, you know? And if you just deal with it, you see me? But yeah, man. Yeah, so look out for the song and the dance. Cool front, see? Yeah, man. Yeah, so where was I now? Yeah, the woman them like them got page selector. And I say, yo, them tired for shoot. They want some girl song, man, some whining song and some different songs, even some culture too, man. The woman then tired of the shoot and the chop and them sitting there. You know, I tell nobody if you sing or if you play, you know, but come on. Nobody will get fed up, and this is why the people them keep on saying dancehall is deteriorating. You know? The same repetitive thing, you know? Mind you, see some people start switch and go to soca. You see soca start get back hot and trend again, and soca never dead, but I'm just saying. This is why the people are saying reggaeton and not reggaeton more than Afrobeats. Because one time reggaeton did go on and then it just calm down again. But Afrobeats, people say Afrobeats are take over. You see me? Yeah, man. So the man them have to just try blend in the thing for build back the stem there and the body. And the body and core of the dancehall, where you know, remember one time in the dancehall, the woman them used to whine and the man used to whine and bubble pan girl and you all like girl in the dance and when they hear start some the selector switch all the music and you know say a different juggling go on and you start eyes to girl, you know. You see me start eyes to girl, you know. We go bigger dancing or roll on pan, you know. If you go bubble with, you know. Or you see a girl come back it up and you know you can't back it up, you have to you see, you have to stand up and work. Then days are not to go on again. If the girl now skin out and jump off of one tree or one table and land and beat up them front and them. You see me? Well, may I tell a story? We need but the genuine hardcore dancehall, man. The man can hold a woman and bubble, man. Action. Not a bag of mouth. Believe the girl all them. You see me? Yes, man, my viewers and subscribers, let me know if you don't agree with me, man. You see me? We need back some of them bubbling now, man, hold on a girl and wine and that. You see me? Give me the girl with them type of music that can back it up. You see me? And you know, I'm just saying still. This is Lion Foot, you know, I'm just saying. You see me? We're not trying to dictate to nobody where them to do, where them to play or where them to sing, but come on, the girl them say them tired for shoot, man. You see me? So come like say, I see like that go be a shooting. You might tell the guys I be a bad people up here, so you see me? So I don't know. Big up the Empress them same way. My viewers and subscribers, I hit that for this morning. Look out for the next vlog. The next vlog is very sad. A sadful one that happened yesterday morning, you know. You see me? 4 slaughtered by one person at a home, you know, and Jano, very sad. Zine, very sad. I took 3 women and a male, you know, in the UK. So it's not only in the oh, go on, general. You know, say not only the world mad and sad, and just Jamaica alone and go with crime and violence. It's also happening in the UK, and then look at Ukraine, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, so you don't know big up on yourself. Well, go on.
You don't know my name.
What's your name again?
Sanchez.
Come sing something for the ladies then. What's Sanchez, sir?
Man, not Sanchez. Man, Sanchez from Brooklyn.
From Brooklyn?
Yes.
You bust a song now, man?
In Jamaica, we can bust a gunshot like me kill the
I'm
police
viewers and
or
subscribers. You don't know.
Me kill police.
Life with another vlog or anything when I bust now, bro.
Sanchez, yo,
Big up
Sanchez,
yourself. You're going to reason with Sanchez, you know, saying? Yes, my son. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the content. Let me know what you think about those 2 topics that I have covered. Yes, so right now we are Sanchez, I go all that reason. So you might see me sing a song for the vlog. Big up yourself. About not another way.
This kid is having fun with the cold front dance.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go, so you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.